It's just me and you. I feel so lost. I guess I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. My hopes and my dreams are fading fast. I'm all burnt out, and I don't think my heartstrings gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know that you're the only one who's able to pull me through. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistake over and over again. You're done, and I'll be the one to make sure it carries out. And in me, I don't want any doubt. That's why I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems a bit cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. All I need to do is hear a single word from you. I open up my heart. Just one word could make a difference in what I do. I open up my one word. I open up my heart. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. I need a word from you. That's why I open up my